Hey guys, I'm going to show you really quick how to transfer your files over to your Google Drive. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Then you might have these buttons over here I like to call the Waffle. If you have that, go ahead and click it, and then you're going to go to Drive. If you don't have the dots, you can type in drive.google.com. So once you get to your drive, you're going to want to make a new folder. I like to make a folder for each year just so I can keep my files organized. So you can go to New and New Folder. And I'm just going to title this one 2016-17. And then I'll hit Create. And you'll see that the folder popped up. It scooted everything else over. If you are in list view, yours might look like this. So to change that, you just click on this grid right here. So I'm going to open up the folder. I'm just going to double click on it. And then I have nothing in this folder, so I need to add things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my files, and there's two ways that you can do this. The first way is to right click anywhere in this space, and I'm going to click Upload Folder. Now you should see something that looks like this. If you see your Z drive, I would go ahead and click it. I save everything in my Z drive, that way I can access it from any computer in the district that I'm on. Then I'm going to click OK. It might take a while, but there should be a box right down here that will pop up, and it will say Starting Uploads. It also might say it's going to take many hours, but the time will decrease as time goes on, but it'll decrease a lot really quickly. The second way to add files to your Google Drive is we're going to go up here and click this button that has two boxes in it, and so basically it's going to make the Google Drive window smaller. Now you may need to resize it. I like mine to be about half the screen. And then I'm going to minimize everything else I have in the background. So from here, if let's say I want to add everything from my desktop, all I need to do is click and drag. So I've highlighted all of the files, and I'm going to click and drag this over. If you scroll down, you should see that same screen pop up right down here that shows that the files are being downloaded. So once I resize it, I'm going to go down here to my Windows button, and I'm going to pull up File Explorer. Now I'm going to have both of these screens side by side, and I'll be clicking and dragging things over from my computer onto my Google Drive. So I can scroll down, I can click the Z drive, and I'm just going to click this drive, and I'm going to move it all the way over until it says copy, and then I'll let go. And you can see that it's copying. And like I said, it's going to say that it's going to take several hours, but it won't. It'll go down really quickly, as you can see. Now let's say I want everything from my desktop. So once I go over here and click on desktop, I can click on one of the files and then press Control A at the same time, and everything will get highlighted. Now I'm going to click and drag this over. And you can see that it has added to the other things that are being added, or being downloaded. Now you can go ahead and do this with all of the folders and the files that you want to save. And it'll download them. So when this is all complete, it will say upload complete, and this bar will scooch down to right here at the bottom. And it's always a good idea to go in and check to make sure that your files are there. So this isn't done downloading, so that's why there's nothing in there. You can see that some of my other stuff has already downloaded. So that's a quick and easy way to upload your files to Google. If you have any questions, just let me know.